I'm Nick Green, I'm Supply Chain Director at WD-40 Company, and we manufacture globally the world famous WD-40 product. We've got some really big sustainability ambitions, including by 2030 to halve our Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions. Because this is the second biggest office for WD-40 Company worldwide, we really saw the opportunity to make an impact on our Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions by the installation of solar panels. It was a really easy decision to partner with Purelec. They were really helpful, gave a lot of information up front. They could install the solar panels so much quicker than anybody else. The installation was completed on time, to budget. Quality was fabulous. We generated over 60,000 kilowatt hours of power in the 8 months that the panels have been operational. We're so happy with Purelec, our choice of supplier with partner in this, and we can't recommend Purelec and the service they give highly enough.
I'm Ross Weaver, Director of Purelec Energy, and I'm here today at the WD-40 head office in Milton Keynes. WD-40 is a brand name that most of us, if not all of us, are familiar with, and it was a privilege to be awarded the contract to install 132 kilowatts of solar on their roof. The system comprised of 331 JA solar modules, 4 Solis 3-phase string inverters, and total site monitoring via the Solis cloud. We anticipate that the system will offset around 38% of WD-40's annual energy bill. We used a Renosol hook and rail system to fix the panels to the roof alongside Slate Genius solution. As with all our projects, health and safety takes front seat. The scaffold was a particularly costly but necessary aspect of this installation. At 14 metres above ground level, a robust scaffold needed to be built. Finally, I'd like to say a huge thank you to WD-40 for choosing Purelec Energy, and I look forward to the future, standing side by side helping them with their carbon reduction plans and offsetting energy bills.